Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the Hornbill OS for this Redmi Note 3, which is a new ROM available for this phone, which is based on Android version 10. So guys, let's begin. Okay, so as you guys can see here, the Android version here is 10. The security patch level you get here is the latest on 5th of October, and the Google Play system update here is 1st of September 2019, which is pretty older. And the kernel here you get is the new kernel, Borneo Island kernel. I don't know which kernel is this, but it's pretty good kernel, I would say. According to the stability and usage, the kernel here is really good. Okay, then moving forward to this is the settings panel. This is the home screen available here, as you can see. And so first of all, let's just go to the settings in the system. These are the options available here. There are no such customization. This is close to stock Android ROM like the Pixel Experience 1. You only customization and features you get here is the gestures. You get to these two options, the jump to camera and prevent ringing option, and you get to see the buttons option, the enable on-screen navigation bar and everything. Then you can enable the on-screen navigation bar from here. As you can see here, this is the black navigation bar available here, the gesture bar, and the gestures here are just working absolutely fine. No worries with the gestures, and the back gestures here are also working. As you can see that arrow, so the gestures here are working fluidly and absolutely fine, and you cannot readjust or resize these or resize this gesture pill. The bar, it just stays the same. You cannot resize it. So that is it. And you get to, if you are on the hardware, if you use hardware buttons, then you get to see these options, the long press and double tap customization for the hardware buttons. So this is available here. Then moving back here, this is it. These were the options available here in this. Then you get to see the Google, the digital well-being here is available and working absolutely fine. Okay, then moving forward, you get to see in the security, the screen lock here is working, and face unlock here is also working absolutely fine. As you can see, the face unlock here is working, and the fingerprint sensor here is also working. So that is it. As you all know that my fingerprint sensor here is just not working, it's broken, but the fingerprint sensor here is working. I confirm it to you. So this was it for the security. Now moving forward to the sounds and vibration stuff. These are all the sounds options available here, just the same, but here is a bug. We'll talk about it in the bug section, so just watch the video till the end. Okay, then moving forward to the display, here is the display settings available here. The dark theme here is available here. Going to styles and wallpapers, these are the options available here. These are the styles and wallpaper. You get all the pixel wallpapers available here. These are all the options available, so that is great. Okay, then you get to see the font size, the display size, the screensaver, lock screen display, and here you get to see the always on display, which is working absolutely fine. Always on display here is also working. Then talking about the battery life here, I would say the battery life here is average. It's not that great. As you can see, the screen on time here is around 1 hour 45 minutes, so the battery life here is just not that great. So guys, that was it. These were the settings available here, and there are no fancy additional customizations. No, there are no advanced control, no Me sound enhancer, everything. This is close to stock Android and close to Pixel Experience ROM. So that is it. This is the Pixel launcher available here. As you can see here, this is the status bar. The Wi-Fi here is working absolutely fine. Mobile data here is working. The VoLTE here on the VI SIM here is working fine. Torch here is also working. This is the battery saver available here. You get to see the screencast, which is also working. You get to see the dark theme toggle. The screen recorder here is also working. The screen capture, the location and everything. And the audio recorder here is also available here. So that's great. Then talking about the camera here, you get to see the Google Camera Go version available here. So that is it. And the Google Camera version 7.3 is just not working, sadly. So that is it. So guys, if you still haven't subscribed to the channel, then please guys subscribe to the channel, and here will be the name of the Telegram group. You can join the Telegram group, and the link will be in the description below. So if you still haven't joined the Telegram group, then just join it. Okay, then talking about the Geekbench scores here, I don't know what is wrong with Geekbench. Every time I try to run the CPU benchmark, the phone just gets hanged at 69%. So after 69%, the phone just gets hanged and the black screen will appear there. Here is a video I will be showing you. Here is a video you will be seeing. So this is what happens. and at the 69% mark, at the 69% the phone just gets hanged. So this is a bit problem here. So I was not able to run the benchmark scores. I tried it 3 times and all the 3 times it just stopped at 69%. But overall, talking about the performance here, the performance is just great. But if you try to do an heavy task like rendering a video, or if you try to push the CPU, so this is a bit problem. Then talking about the safety net here, the safety net status has just passed without rooting the phone, so that's great. So as you can see here, the safety net status has passed. Then talking about the speed test, the internet speed test, Wi-Fi speed test, let's just check it. I have a 50 Mbps stable connection here. Let's see how much speed we are getting here. So as you can see here, we are getting only 25 up to 25 Mbps of speed. So this is a bit problem here. The internet speed here and the upload speed here, as you can see, it's getting over 34. So as you can see, the upload speed we are getting here is the 33 and the download here is 24.9. Now let's just check on the computer how much speed we are getting, so we can get an idea. So as you can see on the computer, the speed here has gone over 70 Mbps. So the Wi-Fi speed here is a bit problem here. As you can see, the 60 Mbps speed we are getting on the computer. And let's check the upload speed. So as you can see, the upload speed here we are getting is 29.53 and the download here is 57.35. Okay, so as you can see, the download speed here is a bit low on this phone. Let's just test again. So as you can see, still the same of 24 to 25 Mbps. So the internet speed test here is a bit problem. We are getting only 25 Mbps of speed on this phone. Other than that, talking about the call quality, I haven't faced any problems with the calls. The calls are just working absolutely fine, but there is no call recorder available here. So that is one thing you have to note, that there is no call recorder available here. Okay, then that's it. This was it. Now let's talk about the bugs here. Bugs, I have already said that you get the black screen bug. I have faced the black screen bug, the lock screen bug here. I haven't faced till yet. I haven't faced it. I'm using this from around 2 days, almost 2 days now. I still haven't faced the black screen bug here, but I don't know if it's there or not. If you are using this ROM and if you have faced the black or that lock screen bug, then please let me know in the comment section below. So guys, that was it. Then the internet speed here is a bit problem on this ROM. Otherwise, this is the first build of this ROM, like the Hornbill OS. This is the first build, so it will improve in future. So let's just wait. And then the random reboot bug here, I haven't faced it yet, but the phone just gets hanged when you perform an intensive task, like when you perform a heavy task. And the Geekbench here, I am not able to run. The phone just gets hanged and reboot. So guys, that's it for now. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, then please guys subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section below or in the Telegram group. I will meet you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, have fun, and goodbye.